So what will be more profitable, taking $500 and buying the brand new Neo Dogecoin miner, or taking the exact same $500 and buying Dogecoin instead? Let's put that question to the test. I have already ordered my Neo Dogecoin miner. If you want one, link will be in the description box below. And today the price of Dogecoin is 0.082. So if we bought Dogecoin today, we'll be able to get 6,100 Dogecoin. So once my miner gets here, I will plug it in and it will start mining Dogecoin. I will show you exactly how much Dogecoin the miner is mining, and I will show you the value of the Dogecoin that we bought today. So every single month I will be tracking the progress, probably for 6 months, maybe even 12 months, to determine the winner and to see which was a better investment. Personally, I believe the Neo Dogecoin miner will win this competition. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.